We are born from the history, culture, traditional, and custom. That is why we learn together. But before we dive in for you all, let me introduce myself. My name is Umbu Arman, and I am proudly come from Nusa Tenggara as Sumba. In literary language, we call Tanah Humba or Tanah Marapu. And you know, I am a follower of the belief in the one Almighty God, belonging to the Marapu community. The Marapu belief is meaningful to me because it serves as my way of life. It guides my conduct and action every day and through Marapu. I attend peace, Budi, and sure. And now I will explain to you about the one tradition of the Marapu belief. Then in the name of the Mangijing. Mangijing is one tradition in the Marapu, serving as an expression and gratitude for life. As is held once every 4 years. The timing is determined by observing natural signs and such as the moon and stars, followed by checking guides throughout our ritual that involves examining the interest of a chicken. Once the time is set, prayers are led by the Marapu host. It takes place at night without an artificial lighting. Early the next morning, the ceremony continues with rituals of the open-air altar, we call in the literary language Katoda Padang, then progress to the traditional village of Marapu House. The prayers recited as for guidance in life, as well as prosperity, fertility, and the growth of the living beings on earth, which in our traditional language we call uang gaya na dango ng gailar, uang gaya na uro na baba, pinupadang marada, binululang tanlula, madang gaya na hunggo na mandara, na dingin na karay, na mahiyaw na damadongiw na matakan paanang mamiting, mambalang, mayaw, makanuho. Habang may nalululatang naluluwa ka, matakan na tijang o na puwala da, matakan na bukuto na runa. Timini kawini urwe urumanu pabanjara kanimbua wangu wadadaan na umbuku kauno pajimu. In the essence, the meaningful of the Mangijing rituals is to give thanks and pray respect to the Almighty God, ancestor, the universe, and humanity. And you know, I have a one figure of the Marapu figure I look up to is Umulawa Kambaruhihu, known by the title Kambaruhihu Tahu Kambul Andung Jara, Kiring La Andung, and Dewa Putih, Dewa Hulu. It makes him of the meaningful if you sow good seeds, you will reap good fruits. And if you sow bad seed, you will reap bad fruit. In life, we know this of the law, cause and effect in life, and we call hukum karma in the Indonesian language, hukum karma. And this is my video. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you have a nice day, and I hope we can meet in the future. And I'm super happy today because I have a time and opportunity to share with you about the Marapu belief, about the traditional, about the local wisdom, tradition, customs, culture from the Sumba, and especially Tanah Marapu. And I am Umbu Arman. See you next time. Rahayu, Rahayu, Rahayu.